Here we have sine inverse. So we have to simplify this function and reduce it to function of sine. Once this sine inverse and sine get cancelled, then we will be left with simplified form of this given function. In this video, I am going to give you step-by-step explanation for the given question on your screen. So I urge you to watch this video till end carefully so that you will get a complete understanding of this type of question. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe it. If you face any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or on my Instagram handle. Without any further delay, let's start solving this question. First step is we have to read it and understand the question. Differentiate with respect to x. Sine inverse of 2 raised to x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 4x. Now here we have sine inverse function. Now how to simplify this function? I will explain you. First we will assume this function as y. Y is equal to sine inverse of 2 raised to x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 4 raised to x. Now we have to simplify this function. How to simplify that? See, here we have sine inverse. So we have to simplify this function and reduce it to function of sine. Once this sine inverse and sine get cancelled, then we will be left with simplified form of this given function. Now how to reduce this function inside the bracket to the function of sine. So here we can see that we have 2 raised to x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 4 raised to x. Now I will write this 2 raised to x plus 1 as 2 into 2 raised to x divided by 1 plus, I will write this 4 raised to x as 2 raised to x bracket square. Now here I can see that we have 2 into 2 raised to x divided by 1 plus 2 raised to x bracket square. Now suppose if I put 2 raised to x is equal to tan theta, then this function will be reduced to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now this entire term is equal to sine 2 theta. So once this entire term get reduced to sine theta, sine 2 theta, then from this equation we will find out the value of theta, that is equal to tan inverse of 2 raised to x. So once we put this value of sine 2 theta in this given function, that is sine inverse of inside the bracket sine 2 theta, this sine inverse and sine theta will get cancelled, then we will be left with 2 into theta. Then this value of theta will be substituted in this step, then we will get y is equal to 2 into tan inverse of 2 raised to x. So in this way we simplify this given function. Now I will write this properly and give you step-by-step explanation. So first step is assume let y is equal to sine inverse of 2 raised to x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 4 raised to x. Now I will simplify this and write it in this form, sine inverse of. Now here we have 2 raised to x plus 1, so I will split this 2 raised to 1 into 2 raised to x divided by 1 plus. Now I will use the laws of indices to write this 4 raised to x as 2 raised to x bracket square. This is how I have simplified this step. Now what I will do, sine inverse of 2 into 2 raised to x divided by 1 plus 2 raised to x bracket square. Now what I will do, I will put 2 raised to x is equal to tan theta. This will give me theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 raised to x. Now once I put 2 raised to x is equal to tan theta in this step, what I will get? Y is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now y is equal to sin inverse of. Now this entire term 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin to theta. Sin to theta. Therefore, y is equal to, now this sin inverse and sin will get cancelled. Then what I will get? 2 into theta. And the value of theta is, see here it is given. Y is equal to 2 into value of theta is tan inverse of 2 raised to x. So in this way, we have reduced this given function into a simplified form. I hope you have understood the step-by-step explanation how we have obtained this simplified function from the given function. Now I will differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Then what I will get? Dy by dx is equal to 2 into derivative of tan inverse is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So here x is 2 raised to x bracket square multiplied by, now as this is a composite function, we have to multiply the derivative of this function with derivative of 2 raised to x. So derivative of 2 raised to x is 2 raised to x into log of 2. Now I will solve this further. What I will get? 2 raised to x into log of 4 divided by this 2. I will take it over here. So I will get 2 square divided by 1 plus. Now 2 raised to x bracket square is 4 raised to x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 2 raised to x into log 4 divided by 1 plus 4 raised to x. This is the required answer. So in this way, we obtain the derivative of the given function. I hope you have understood the step-by-step explanation that I have given you in this video. If this is the case, then give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and share your doubts in the comment box. That's all for this question. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.